So as you can tell, I am a sucker for saw blades, and Mr. Capper's hunting this weekend, so I thought I would go hunting too. And look what I found in an antique store. That's where I went hunting. All right, well, after playing around with it a little bit more, I'm going to end up using the even number. So I'm going to use 6. I think that'll be a good space between it and not look too crowded, but yet not look too far apart.
Hey guys, Kapper here, welcome back. And yes, I don't know what that soft project's going to be either. So anyways, Mrs. Kapper's been very busy working on a lot of projects for the Kentucky rehab house and probably other things just for the fun of it. So this is just going to be a vlog of all the things that she's working on right now. Most of these will have her full project videos. This one is going to be a really cool one, and I'm not going to be able to show you the whole thing on here, but when she puts up the project video after this is all painted on and stuff, I think you'll really enjoy this one. I'm not sure where it's going to go, but it's going to be another one of her cool projects.
This is the door that I took off that old garbage shed. Remember that one? I'm going to make a coffee table out of it. I'm going to leave those hinges on. I'm going to clean it up a little bit. I really don't want to get rid of, the gray weathered look, but there's a lot of green on it that I want to get it cleaned up. Trim off the ends a little bit, but definitely leaving on the hinges. Got the pressure washer out, so let's get her done. I need a couple of coat hooks or some kind of hooks in the bedrooms just to hang a shirt or a hat or light jacket or something. And I was going to use a barn board, but then I remembered I had some bark that I collected last summer, probably, maybe the summer before. And I'm going to use that instead. And then cover it with several coats of this clear brushing lacquer. Man, this stuff smells, but wow, it is so nice to work with. That's what I used on the barnwood bed. And probably put, not exactly right there, but probably put about 4 or 5, I don't know, maybe 3, 4 on there. And then those will actually go through the bark. I'm serious, the bark was pretty stiff. And then it'll go through the piece of wood that I'm going to put behind it. Now, Mr. Kapper got me all set up with all the boards that we pulled off the barn in Kentucky. So I got the wider ones down here, and then the trim boards are up there, those 1x3s that I'm going to use, but not for on that wall. So I'm going to be picking through here, and I'm just going to trim off, the split ends that I'm not going to use. There's a lot of really good usable wood on here. I need a couple of things to hang shirts or caps or something on. in the Kentucky farmhouse. So I'm going to use this board here. Well, that's a good start, but we are definitely going to need more wood. But let me get this cleaned up first. All right, I got them all washed. Man, they were dirty. Got all that mildew, all those stains off there. I'm gonna measure kind of what it's gonna end up being here, because the wall itself is 12 by 8, so all the boards are different widths. So you know, altogether I need almost 100 square feet total. So I'm gonna see how close we are. Definitely not there. So we'll definitely have to come back and get some more.
Don't want to work too loud and wake Kitty up. So this is going to wrap up Mrs. Kapper's project vlog. Most all of these she's going to make individual DIY videos to show how she actually does them. So definitely stay tuned, hit the like button and subscribe to follow us and to follow the Kentucky farmhouse vlog, as well as all of her rustic adventures, projects, and our country living adventures. So until next time, be safe out there and enjoy life a little bit as much as you can. Kappers are out.